Now that's what I call smooth.
There's nothing smoother than a pot shot from Munch Bunch.
Yo!
However carefully you look after your family's clothes, you can't always protect the fibers in the fabric from wear and tear as much as you'd like. But now, Comfort has a unique new formula that keeps the fibers stronger and helps protect them better. So the clothes that were soft and beautiful for this little one are still soft and beautiful for his new baby brother. Look after the things you love with new Comfort Protective Care.
Invisible jigsaws from Kellogg's Coco Pops. Warm them with your hand and the picture appears. Wrong! Try again. Right! 5 to collect.
Discover pure facial care. Pure like a fountain of moisture. New hydrogel from Oil of Ulay with eye contour, perfector and night repair. No perfume, no color, no grease. Pure moisture to help keep skin looking fresh and youthful. The new hydrogel range from Oil of Ulay.
Little Monster has some great new gizmos on his bike, like Monster spoke clackers in 4 different colors. There's one free in every Monster Munch multi-pack, and a new mega bike blaster that looks just like him. Free when you send off the tokens from Monster Munch single packs. Just right for waking up the big monsters. Oh dear, they've gone white with shock. Monster Munch, the biggest noise in town.
The best thing about jelly, sobbed Crybaby Booples, is that it's so very, very stretchy, snapped Baby Bumper. Not to mention squashy, bounced Baby Brilliant. But the very best thing about jelly, gurgled Baby Bonnie, is that it's so juicy. Bassett's Jelly Babies. They're in a wibbly-wobbly world of their own.
I'm here to get a closer look at Sika's new sports shoes. Oh, wait, guys, where you going? Hey, down here. Alrighty, in for Mr. Logo. Here we go. Afternoon, ladies. Excuse, perhaps, would you? Okay, Mr. Big Shot. Nice shoes. Beautiful, and I'm off here. Yeah. This is a good shot.
Thunderbirds are go! Get a great glossy wall chart free with tomorrow's Daily Mirror. Plus fantastic pictures to cut out and stick on by the Daily Mirror tomorrow.
Oh, what a horrid sight. Still, ketchup, wine and gravy gruesomeness can disappear with Vanish Soaker. After a soak and a wash, oh my gosh, a result! Vanish Soaker for stains and spots and other blots.